Today I am sharing a complete full day diet plan made without a single drop of oil. Yet every meal is tasty, satisfying, and perfect for weight loss and controlling blood sugar. Let us begin our healing zero oil diet plan. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle. Start your day with 1 cup of water stored in copper vessel overnight. For breakfast, have 1 cup of ragi ambali or ragi porridge. To prepare this, take 1 spoon of organic ragi flour, add little water and mix it so that there should not be any lumps. Heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan and bring it to boil. When it starts boiling, add ragi mixture and start stirring continuously. Cook for 2 minutes. We all know that ragi is superfood and is ideal for weight management and blood sugar control. After cooling, add half cup of buttermilk, that is A2 buttermilk, and pink Himalayan salt as per taste and give good mix. This ganji or porridge is rich in fiber and prevents overeating, keeps hunger under control and great for weight loss. It has low glycemic index helping in maintaining steady blood sugar control. It is light, cooling and very soothing for stomach. For lunch, here we have oil-free bottle gourd and spinach soup, ragi fulka and sorted oil-free vegetables. To prepare lauki or bottle gourd and spinach soup, cook half cup of lauki and spinach soft and after cooling transfer it to grinding jar and blend it to smooth. Transfer it to a clay pot. Add water and adjust the consistency. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste, jeera powder, pepper powder, pinch of turmeric, asafoetida, curry leaves and bring to boil. Switch off the flame and serve hot. To prepare ragi fulka, heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste. When the water starts boiling, add 1 cup of ragi flour and cook with continuous stirring till it separates from the sides. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool. After cooling, transfer it to a plate and knead it like dough. It should be of non-sticky dough. Ragi is gluten-free grain. By cooking like this, the gluten gets activated and you can easily knead the dough like this. Now it is non-sticky dough. Divide it into equal portions and make round balls out of it. Now roll as thin as possible by using rolling pin and ragi flour for dusting. Cook on preheated hot tawa without adding oil or ghee. Super healthy ragi fulka is ready to serve. For oil-free sabji, heat the kadai on medium flame. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds, curry leaves and asafoetida. Bring the flame to lowest and add steamed vegetable of your choice. Here I have used carrot, beans and ash gourd. Add pepper powder, pink Himalayan salt as per taste and boil for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and garnish with a handful of grated fresh coconut. This is oil-free vegetable sabji. For evening, have 1 cup of banana stem juice. Banana stem juice is very good for weight management. I have already shared video how to prepare banana stem juice. The link is in the description box below. For dinner, beetroot and carrot soup. For best results, finish your dinner before 7 p.m. To prepare beetroot and carrot soup, take 1 small cup of beetroot cubes and 1 cup of carrot cubes, 1 inch size ginger and a piece of cinnamon stick. Add sufficient water, pink Himalayan salt as per taste. and boil it for 10 minutes. After cooling, transfer it to blender and blend it to smooth paste. Transfer it to a kadai and dilute it by using little water. Add jeera powder, pepper powder, and finely chopped coriander leaves and bring it to boil. Switch off the flame. Add half cup of coconut milk and give a good mix. This soup is filling, nutrient dense and ideal for weight loss. For bedtime, have a cup of cinnamon tea. How to prepare cinnamon tea? The link is in the description box below. Friends, this is the simple zero oil diet plan made with the easily available and inexpensive ingredients. Do try this meal plan and let me know how it has turned out. If you find this video useful, then hit like button and share it with needy people. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and press bell icon for more healing and healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Till then,